Hey! In front of me is REALME C33 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this REALME. First of all, select two apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store and Chrome. Now click on this button with three lines and tap on the icon of your app. Then click on split screen and tap on the other one right away over here, or select home button and click on one of those, in my case settings. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!